Here's how you make my favorite crispy fried tofu. We're starting out with a marinade that's totally customizable. I like to use soy sauce, sesame oil, which might be my favorite flavor in the world, some chili sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, water to help cover the tofu, sliced garlic, and sliced ginger. This is just what I like to use, but any marinade will work, so if you have a favorite, use that. Add firm tofu that's been cut into cubes and spread them out so each is covered in the marinade. I'll usually leave this overnight so it's really flavorful, but if you don't have that kind of time, 1 hour should do. If you're only marinating for 1 hour, I'd recommend doubling all the ingredients except for water to make a more concentrated marinade. Remove the tofu from the marinade and allow to drain a bit. In the meantime, prepare the coating by mixing together cornstarch, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper in a container with a lid. Here's another place where you can get creative with the flavors. Just remember that soy sauce has a lot of salt already, so you won't need to add much here. Place the tofu into the container in small batches, then attach the lid and shake to fully coat each piece. Remove and gently shake the tofu, then repeat for the rest of the pieces. Heat a mixture of vegetable and sesame oil over medium-high heat. There should be enough oil to completely cover the bottom of the pan. Now place the coated tofu into the pan and cook on all sides until brown and crispy. This will take a couple minutes on each side. This might not be the healthiest preparation for tofu, but it's really, really good. I sometimes just eat these as a snack like popcorn, but they're also great on top of a stir fry. Check out one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.